Okay, this is what they mean by cherry clouds. Hello, Wonderhussy here. You're probably wondering what I'm doing driving through the desert, dressed in my finest nautical ensemble, including my earrings. Well, that's because I'm headed to a boat in the middle of the desert. And not just a boat, there's also a magic school bus and some funky trailers and a bunch of weird art at a place called Cherry Clouds Oasis. Now you're probably wondering, what on earth is a Cherry Clouds Oasis? Well, it's kind of, I guess, what you would call a hip camp. If you've ever heard of hip camp, it's kind of like Airbnb, only for places you can camp. This girl that I used to model with back in the day in Vegas and her fiance bought some land out in the desert, not too far from my own Death Valley compound and right around the same time as me. And they turned it into this, well, really funky looking Burning Man type hip camp, I guess. I've only seen pictures of it on Instagram. I haven't actually been there in person yet. But today they invited me over to take a tour and share it all with you. So that's where I'm going right now. Okay, we're out here in a part of the desert called Charleston View, and there's a lot of really interesting stuff out here. Homesteads and off-gridders and, well, stuff like Cherry Clouds Oasis. Oh, here they are, hanging out at their little outdoor bar.
Ready for a beautiful sunset? It'll look like it'll be a good one.
Oh, it's always a good one out here. Okay, now hold on. Let me introduce you guys. Hang on, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Okay, and you are?
Hi, my name is Stacy.
Stacy.
I'm Lico.
Lico, and you guys just got engaged?
We did. We got engaged at our opening party here in March.
Oh,
On the
congratulations!
boat dock that Lico built over there.
So I've been following you guys on Instagram. I'm just kind of curious if I have the story right. So you were laid off during the pandemic?
Yes, I worked at a restaurant. So.
Okay, so you had time off during the pandemic and you were just like goofing around on Zillow?
Yeah, on Zillow, scored this land, and I didn't know what I was going to do with it at first.
You just randomly bought some land on Zillow?
It felt like an apocalypse, so I was like, let's run to the hills and buy some land. Ended up deciding to go with a dream that I had forever, which is to create like a trailer park hotel.
Okay, so I described it as like a hip camp. Is that kind of?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're on Hip Camp. You
Oh,
can
you
find
are?
us on Hip Camp. Absolutely.
Oh, okay.
It's more of a camping style website. You could book yurts and teepees and.
But why would you want to stay in a yurt or a teepee when you could stay in a
Exactly.
bus or an RV or a yacht?
It's
you know?
much cozier. We are off grid here, so there is
Off grid.
no water, no power. But
Okay, dry camping.
We make it work. Solar lights light up at night. We've got battery lights inside the trailers that are super pretty. So
Oh, fun!
it's cute.
It's more fun that way, anyways.
Yeah, and we keep it pretty seasonal, so we don't run during like the holidays and kind of into January and February.
Oh,
so
okay.
come back with maybe a little bit longer of a summer season because it's so nice out here at night. You definitely want to come.
Oh
back.
yeah, you could definitely
at
stay
night.
here in the summer.
Yes, yes.
Well, far out, if you don't mind giving me a tour of some of these amazing little, what do you call them? Like rooms?
Trailers.
Trailers? So
Ves-
they keep it real
vessels.
here. Vessels and trailers.
Sleeping quarters.
Sleeping quarters. Okay, hang on. Before we go look in the vessels and sleeping quarters. So you guys built this like outdoor dining patio, and then this is like an outdoor kitchen. Is that what that is?
Yeah, we keep it simple. We just have kind of a prep table and a bar and.
Oh wow! Well, you are set up to where, like, you have chefs that'll come out here and cook meals.
We do. We know people that'll come out and cook you kind of a buffet style meal. They'll cook you a seated meal over on the patio.
A seated meal. How
It's
fancy! Wow, cool. But you do it all right here in this dry kitchen.
That's right.
Now, so you just bring in bottled water.
Yep, we clean
Oh,
dishes
okay.
with a bin. We could upgrade at some point, but
Yeah,
we're just starting out.
You've only had this open for how long?
Since March.
Since March.
8 months, yeah.
Yeah, so not even a year. This is amazing. You guys built all these patios,
Built
right?
it with these bare hands.
That's
Check
impressive.
it out.
Oh wait, hold on. What's the cat all about? Who's the cat?
This is Poe. She's our mascot.
Poe?
18 years young. That's why her face is crusty,
Oh,
but it's okay.
that's not crusty.
It's not too bad.
Oh, she looks great. She sounds good.
She's still alive.
Oh, love her. Okay, Okay, but this is really a beautiful dining pavilion. I mean,
We scored 24 of these on OfferUp from a restaurant that went out of business.
shut up! 24 of these awesome chairs.
A poor pandemic, failure of a restaurant.
Oh no, yeah, these restaurants buy all this amazing stuff and then they go out of business. I've never
so
thought
their
about
quality.
that.
These chairs were like originally $100 a piece, so these are like super solid.
Oh wow,
And-
yeah, these are nice chairs, and this is a cool table too.
Yeah. So funny story. The guy that I met this from on OfferUp, turned out he creates panels like this. So we were able to do whatever design we wanted.
Oh, so you bought the table from the same guy who made these panels?
Yes.
And what's this OfferUp you keep talking about?
Oh, OfferUp. It's like Craigslist, but it's like an app, and you get like 5 stars if you're good at it. If you sell
it's like-
things and you're friendly and you're on time. And
Wait, so is it local to Vegas or it's just anywhere?
I'm pretty sure OfferUp is national.
Oh, you got the boat on OfferUp too?
The boat was
Oh my god, I gotta check out this OfferUp.
$500.
Shut up!
Yeah.
I can't afford not to buy a boat for myself. I gotta go check out OfferUp. Oh my god.
Need a desert boat.
My sister's probably gonna curse me for coming out here and getting all these ideas because I'm trying to get rid of stuff, but oh my god, this is amazing.
When we're not dining, we can clear this area and do a little yoga.
That's a beautiful outdoor dining space, beautiful outdoor kitchen. So if you're staying here, you could have an awesome meal prepared by one of your chef friends, or you can bring your own food and do it yourself, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go stay in one of these awesome, cute little trailers, vessels, and the bus. Where should we start? This is like all my dreams of running away to join the circus, or like follow the Grateful Dead, or I don't know, maybe the Manson family, something like that. I don't know.
Partridge Family.
Oh, the Partridge Family. That's definitely more acceptable.
We're definitely gonna paint this. This bus is actually on loan. A friend of ours had
On loan?
A friend of ours had it parked just for a period of time because she wants to renovate it and do a whole bus conversion.
Oh, okay.
But she's not ready yet, so we were like, well, can we borrow it? So
Well, she probably needed a place to park it anyways.
yeah, so we're taking care of it, watching it, and she said we could paint the outside.
Oh,
and-
far out. So you're going to make it all psychedelic?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look how cool this is. Like a gypsy caravan. I love it. So you did all this decorating, all these cool mushroom tapestries,
Yes.
these little lanterns, awesome little tables. Round bed. Is that a round bed?
That's about bed.
Oh my god, look at the headboard. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're gonna go check out this purple stardust looking thing. And what's cool about all these trailers, even though I haven't been here yet, I've seen pictures on Instagram, and like all these trailers are very uniquely decorated on the inside. So even though this one here looks awesome on the outside, I bet it's even cooler on the inside. Oh wow, look at this. So what's the theme here?
Gemstone.
Gemstone. This is the gemstone trailer. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it's all sparkly pillows, little colorful fur throws. Look at these little lights. Oh my gosh. Little lit up like amethysts. How cute is that?
And this was the first one I bought. I bought this in 2014, and with the intention to have like a goal to meet. Like, can I renovate a trailer? Do I have...
So this is the first trailer that you personally renovated this?
Yes, I bought it for $850 on Craigslist.
Wow,
And
no kidding.
it was used as like an off-road vehicle. It was really dirty, and it had
It was used as an off-road?
Yeah, it had like racing stickers and...
Oh, wow. Love it. Okay, where are we going next?
Okay, the next trailer everyone hates
Oh, this is the one that everybody hates.
Yeah.
Why do they hate it?
because they're scared of dolls.
Okay, so so basically this trailer is just full of creepy dolls and creepy doll touches. Like this really cool shadow box full of doll parts. Look at that. Oh my god, look at the view out the window behind it too. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Another creepy doll here. Porcelain baby doll head. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this little girl is especially cool. I guess it would be kind of creepy to be, sleeping in this bed and you wake up in the middle of the night and, dun dun dun, she's staring at you. Or maybe, dun dun dun. Whoa, that's so fun. Oh, I didn't even see this little doll up here. Oh, you got them everywhere. How
These are
cute.
flickering lights.
Flickering lights. And then is that like a little closet back there?
Oh, I don't know what's in here.
Oh. Ah! It's like a cookie sheet, but it's still, you're so creative. That's a really good idea. I love it.
So I have to tell you, I bought this from a woman who sold antiques, and she lived in a really cool old house on 6th Street in downtown Vegas. And she has a hearse, and she had this trailer, and she had these pictures.
Oh, so some of the stuff came from her.
So much of the stuff, like this was just...
That was as is.
I got to see this woman's life. Like, it's
this is her?
to look into her whole life and see her as a baby, and then with the baby.
Wow. And this is the woman you bought the trailer from?
No.
Oh.
She has collected old photos.
Oh, I thought that was her.
Estate sales, so...
Oh, wow, that is cool to see her as a little girl. That's the same woman.
Look at her scowling at the baby.
Yeah, I wonder what kind of mom... It's like Mommy Dearest. Yeah, she doesn't really look super happy. Oh, wow. Oh, interesting. Is this her too, though, over here?
Yeah, that's her.
It's the same girl.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that is interesting. Okay, now we're going to go on to trailer number 3.
This is a 1969 Bowles Arrow.
Bowles Arrow, if you're into vintage RVs. That's
Made
it.
super solid. It's
Oh, wow, yeah, look at what good shape that's
still in perfect condition on the inside and outside. This was a huge score a guy got off an auction, and I snatched on Craigslist.
So do you just, like, live on Craigslist?
I do. That's why I'm on the couch all the time, not doing yoga.
Oh, okay, well, you do Craigslist yoga. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is 70s paradise. Wow, look at the decor in here. Oh, look at the beds. Oh, I don't know where to look first in here. It's kind of like staying at the Luxor, like the trailer Luxor. Oh, there's even a Cleopatra wig and a little headdress if you want to get your inner Liz Taylor on. Ah! Okay, look what I just noticed. This is close quarters in here, but they managed to fit in King Tut's mummy.
Offer up. There was 4 of them available.
Of these?
Yep.
And you only bought one?
They were $250 each.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't want to drop a grand on mummies.
But these all came as a pack.
Oh,
So
well, offer up. I'm headed there as soon as I get back into cell phone reception.
You actually have reception here. So
Oh, we do have cell reception
You feel
here.
off-grid, but you actually can blog your ass off.
Oh my god, this thing is just in beautiful shape, and she got a screaming deal on it. Okay. All right, let's move along. Sun's setting quickly, and we want to see all these awesome trailers, and we still haven't got to the boat. Oh my gosh. I love the chairs out in front of this one. Like, this is the place you want to sit and have your sunset cocktail. Okay, what are we expecting in here?
So this one is the most personal to us. We bought this one in December 2019 with expectations to travel the country with it, but then the pandemic happened. But of course we still traveled.
So you did travel in this?
We traveled, we went through Death Valley, we burned our brakes out, we slept on the
oops.
side of the road, we got towed.
Adventures!
And 3 weeks later we hit a tree.
Oh, I think I remember seeing that on Facebook or Instagram, yeah.
And we totaled it and bought the land. So that was exactly how this story happened.
Oh, totaled the RV and then you used the insurance money to buy the land?
Yes, I did.
Shut up! So this RV here paid for everything you see. Well, just about the land anyways. That's cool. That's neat the way it worked out.
Yeah. Yes,
Oh, look how cozy it is. Okay, so there's a bed up top and then there's a seating area here in the middle. Look at this backsplash. Oh, look at that bedspread. Oh, those mushrooms. Oh my, all these tapestries, you guys. Wow. You have a porta potty here on site, right?
That's
so,
right.
and it's
We get to-
regularly serviced,
The porta
right?
potty got cleaned today. We can take a look inside.
Oh, I'd love to take a look in a fresh, clean porta potty. Plants in the urinal. Oh, nice. Yeah, guys aren't trying to use that, huh?
I advise guys just pee outside.
Yeah, I know, right? Come on. Oh, look how cute this little pink cinder block with all your stuff in it. What a fun idea. This is my favorite thing. This is your outdoor shower, right?
Yes.
And you made this bottle wall.
Yes.
Come tell us about the bottle wall.
I worked at a sushi restaurant on the Strip for like 11 years, and that was the job I didn't go back to that helped create this whole thing. And in the meantime, starting in 2014, I started taking home 10 sake bottles a day.
10 sake bottles a day from 2014 to 2019?
I had seen bottle walls and bottle houses in Joshua Tree, and I was like, I want to do that one day. So I met him the next year, Liko, and we ended up moving houses, and he was like, why am I taking all your bottles everywhere? Like, you're really going to use these bottles?
Oh,
and I
you
was
were like dragging them around from house to
They
house.
just sat in the garage collecting dust, and
But you knew one day you were going to use them.
one day we were going to do
This
it.
is the perfect time of day too. If I squat down, you can see, look how beautiful the light is coming through those bottles.
So this is actually 600 bottles
This is 600 bottles right here.
cut in half to make bricks.
Oh, right. So you did it the right way, the proper way.
I think so.
And that's 600 bottles. Wow.
Pretty crazy.
And the sake bottles are those really pretty blue ones, right?
Oh, those are all sake
That's all
bottles.
sake bottles?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is Kirinzan. This is Midnight Moon. This is Kaika. This is
Oh my god, now I want sake. I love sake. Wow.
Demon Slayer. Everybody loves that one.
Oh yeah.
Yummy.
So basically this is an outdoor shower and it's designed to use with this solar shower bag. So you just fill that up with water, hang it in the sun, let it get warm, and then put it on the pool there and take a shower. That's cool.
I have never taken a shower here.
Don't you want to?
I think it's going to happen. We're staying here the next 2 nights. So I think so.
Oh yeah, why not? I mean, you made this beautiful shower. Take a damn shower.
Yeah.
Now what do you call this neighborhood?
Charleston
View, okay.
Because you got Mount Charleston that direction.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, yeah, you see like views for miles out here. And you don't have anybody back here behind you, huh?
No.
That's just open desert.
It's magical.
Yeah, there's nobody over here. Look at that. Some people way, way in the distance. Okay, we saved the best for last, right? The boat. And this boat was also from, oh my god, Offer Up. Look how cool this is. Okay, so now we're gonna go down. And we're in the boat. Wow, how cozy. It's sort of like a cuddle puddle more. Oh my god, look at this vintage Playboy. July 1987, remember that? Ooh. Wow, look at the mermaid blanket. How fun. Oh. Pirates booty snacks. Oh my gosh, I love these, I don't know what you call these decorative glass thingies. Oh my god, it's like being in a tiki bar. This is really cool. Okay, we're going towards your newest acquisition. Is that what this is?
This was bought for personal use since we retired the RV.
Okay, that RV is going to live here now.
Yeah, since it's totaled, we left it here, and we always wanted a toy hauler because we love the just the spaciousness of it. We don't have any toys,
yeah,
but
the
it's like a
spaciousness,
little,
and then you have like this automatic like deck or porch.
so it looks like a grandmother's basement.
Welcome, friends.
Grandma's basement. Oh, yeah, it's like Grandma's basement rec room. Can I walk on this?
Of course, of course.
I just thought I'd ask.
I'll
Oh
try to
yeah.
Make it like that 70s show or something like that.
Oh, this is
Imagine
like that
the DJs
70
from up here.
Oh, that 70s DJ on that 70s trailer. Wow, these chairs. Oh my god. Wow, this place is super cool. So I guess if you have a medium group of friends and you want to rent out a cool event space, this would be the place for you. If you want to be out in the desert, but you still want to have cell signal and you don't want to be too far from civilization, we're only about an hour from Vegas. So I guess in theory you could fly into Vegas and rent a car and come out here and camp all weekend and have a fine time. I mean, ugh, these desert skies, the sun is about to go down behind this mountain range here. It's totally peaceful. Smells good. Fresh air, nice neighbors, and cool people running it. Wow, thanks for inviting me out here, you guys. I'll be back. Yeah. I mean, I do live right down the road.
We're neighbors now.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you for inviting me, Stacy. I
You're
really appreciate it. It's
welcome.
always a pleasure to see you. And now that I know that you're my neighbor and you have this awesome party pad, I'll be by all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Anytime.
what's like if people want to check out your listing, where should they go? Or their info in general, like your
Sure.
website?
They can go to our Instagram.
Okay.
Because, it's linked to our Hip Camp account. So
Okay.
Cherry Clouds Oasis on Instagram.
Cherry Clouds Oasis. I'll put a link in the description to the video so you can check it out. All right. Well, thank you, Stacy.
Thank you so much.
Bye.